Some people say I look like Linus Tech Tips, so here you go. So have you ever wondered how to upgrade your computer to Windows 11 from Windows 10 per se? But you can't because your PC doesn't meet the requirements? What? So let me show you what to do. Go to About PC, Windows 10 Home. You pretty much type in reg ed, and then it'll bring up the registry editor right here. Local key user, open that up, go to system, and then go down to setup, and then Mo setup, and then you see this thing here. I added this, which allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU. To do that, you right click, hit new, you want to do D word, and then type this in word for word with capitals and everything. To get that done, click on it, change this value data to 1, hit OK, exit out of here. Then you go over to Chrome or whatever you're using to the Windows Media Creation tool. You want to do the ISO file, which under your downloads will look like that. Click on that, run it. Your computer's basically going to bring up the Windows 11 setup, and then you'll see the acknowledge screen, and then it'll check for updates, and it should allow you to update to Windows 11, but there's one important step that I missed, and that is coming over here, typing in tpm.msc, which will bring this up. You want to make sure you have a TPM. Specifically, you want to have a 2.0, but it's okay if it's a little lower. But this one's ready for use. But you got to have a TPM on the computer. If you don't, you might be able to buy a TPM 2.0 module on Amazon or something for your motherboard. Now you sit here and wait. It could take a while. But basically, Windows is pretty much telling everybody this now because people are switching back to Windows 10 even though it's going to be unsupported come October. Windows themselves, when you go to the creation tool, it tells you exactly what you need to do, pretty much. So, take note of this. Alright, now we're getting closer. I'm just glad Microsoft is actually putting that out in the notes now, because before they put it out in the notes, I had to figure all that stuff out myself. It's like we're ready to install. But here, look at this. So you can keep personal files, keep all files, or erase everything. And this is an old PC. It's running a Core i3. Alright, now we hit install. And it's installing Windows 11. And don't freak out. This might take a while. We're at 55%. I love playing around with computers right now. I got a test bench. Got some other stuff to test out, but more computers at home. So yeah, I like playing with computers and electronics and trying to fix them and make them better. I mean, we got one down here. Look, it's got ammo in it. Another case sitting up here. Test bench. Heck, just the other day I fixed one of my Milwaukee chargers. Should have caught that on camera, but I didn't. 84%. You can see here, it's working on updates. And it looks like we have finished. So let's see if we got Windows 11. Doing it the way I showed you, you'll keep all your files. You'll just be upgraded to Windows 11. And we're done. The biggest thing I can tell we're in Windows 11 is it puts the taskbar thing right in the center. So we'll go to About Your PC. And bam! Windows 11 Home. Installed on 2.5. And there you have it.